Yan, verse umawan sa kanya lang kasi sendiri dapat naman makurang comfortable na sila. Loneliness hindi maluwing, pain and pain maluwing. Feel the comfortable natin. Always closing when we lost, always closing was for those of you who feel lost or your hearts are heavy, God is your help. Go to Him and He will give you peace. That's said. Lamentations 3:54 and 58 in Muslim. Water came up over my head and I said to myself, I'm finished. Lord, I called on your name from the bottom of the pit. You heard my voice. You didn't close your ears. You didn't refuse to rescue me. You came to me on the day I called out to you. You said, don't be afraid. You defended me and brought me back to life. And my last verse, Isaiah 30:21, will say, whether you turn to your right or to your left, your ears will hear a voice behind you saying, this is the way, walk in it. Almost and right on.